Hey everybody, I am here to show you how to use Naviance, which is the software our school district has purchased to help make sending transcripts to colleges easier, as well as to do some research on colleges, to investigate careers, take some quizzes to find out about your learning style and what your career interests might be. So let me show you this software and how to log into it so that you can be successful. The first thing you're going to want to do is get online, and you're going to need to go to the Counseling Center website. So it is nisdtx.org/NHS counseling. Okay, so from this website, you'll hit over here, Naviance, and then you will hit Student Parent Login. Naviance looks different this year than it did in years past, and it's actually kind of cool. It feels more clear to me personally. So this is the home page. You can look for messages. This is kind of the toolbar you'll use the most as far as looking for schools. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see Welcome Texans, there's a little welcome message. You see the My Favorites box, important to-dos, resources to get ready. Okay, so first and foremost, if you are wanting to research careers, you're not really sure what you want to do, you are just wanting to look at different things, the careers page is where you go. These here are surveys or quizzes, if you will, that you can take to match yourself with particular careers or interests for careers, and then you can search the ones that you match up with in case you're not really familiar with them. In the College tab, you can search for schools. If you know the name of a school and you just want to look up their website, you can do it right there. Or you can go down here. You can use these Find Your Fit surveys to help locate a college that would serve your needs academically, but also would fit what you're looking for socially or geographically. If you are wanting to send a transcript, which is certainly the busiest part of Naviance, you're going to go into, scroll down, apply to colleges down here, and you're going to hit colleges I'm applying to. Before I do that, let me bring your attention to scholarships and money. This is where we list all the scholarships that we know about. So I have students that say, where do I find scholarships? How do I apply for scholarships? That would be right here, you guys, under scholarship list. So for a transcript, colleges I'm applying to, click that. Here we go. You have a page here, and don't answer this question unless you already know, but I bet many of you don't know yet. You're going to go right here and you're going to add a school. Right here, which college are you applying to? Click that. And then you will see there's a very, very long list here. Let me plug in one of our more frequently used ones. There we go. Add. App type means decision type. So are you going for early decision, regular decision, early action? If you are just not trying to do anything particularly early, then you just hit regular decision, and then I'll submit my application. All right, you have to pick one of these. You're either going to use the Common App, or you're going to apply directly to the institution. For any in-state Texas school, direct to the institution means you've used the Apply Texas website. ApplyTexas.org is how you apply to any state school in Texas. So I'm going to put that I applied directly to the institution. And then I know you're going to want to just go, whoa, I got to press this button right now. I want them to send a transcript. The transcript cannot go until you have told us you have submitted your application. So if you want your transcript to exit this building and head to your college, you have to tell us that you've submitted your application to the school, and then you add and request transcript. Okay, what type of transcript are you requesting? Initial means where you sit right here and now. Your transcript as it looks right now. Final is your transcript that reflects that you have graduated. So we will not have your final transcript until like the middle of June. So you would want to type or choose initial. Yes, you want to send that to the University of North Texas, request and finish. And then it's like, oh, hey, UNT might want to talk to you. Well, since I'm not using a real student, I'm going to say no thanks, but you are certainly welcome to click yes, I do when you are doing your own account. Okay, so this is where your list is of all the schools that you've applied to. It's just summing it up. You've requested transcripts, they're pending. Application, you've submitted it. Okay, that is how you get a transcript to go. Okay, so I want to show you the Naviance test prep. So you guys are going to take the SAT and or the ACT while you are with us in order to, make application to college. This Naviance test prep is actually really cool. It's on the home page, but you click on it, and it takes a second here, and it pulls up this really great study guide that's interactive as well. Up here you can choose SAT or ACT. There's all kinds of things over here as well, but you work through the course, like you tell it which one you're going to take. It'll ask you first off, what date do you want to take are you going to take your test, and you plug it in, and then it does this little countdown for you, and it breaks it down for a study plan based on how many days you have left before your exam. And you take a diagnostic test so they can determine where you need the most support, and then they cater the test prep to that very specific need that you have. So that's cool. Okay, once you're in it, I've found that I can't get back to Naviance. Okay, so what I want to show you, to get onto Naviance, you go to the Counseling Center website and you will hit Naviance. So what I did not show you at the beginning of this video is how to log on. It's going to pop up and it's going to say the words email. When it asks for your email, you will put your first dot last name or whatever is in front of the @ in your NISD student email address. Do not put your full student email. I know that you want to because it says email, but do not put the @student.nisd. No. Just first dot last name. Your password is your NISD student ID number. Once you log into Naviance, so here's a login page. It says email. I've made a little account here. I'm going to log in. Oh, whoops. There we go. And now I'm in. I'm on the main page, and I can start working with colleges and careers by using these tabs up here. All right. Have a great day.